5, 4, 3,
Release your parachutes.
2, 1, go!
Go, go. Oh no!
Follow me.
Go
Follow
toward
the
other
light blue
island.
one. The one on the far side, like really far away.
I'm following Justin. No, Justin, not that one.
See mine? I'm behind you. Yeah, that way.
This is funny.
Hold down B and you can have a cool view.
You can, I see everything.
I don't know where anybody is.
Look out for the buildings.
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
We're not trying to land on
We're
one.
trying to make it to the other island. Like over there. I saw Justin, it was funny.
Where'd Adam go? Where is he?
We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it like halfway across this island.
Now he gets it. Try to go to that bridge thing since we're not gonna make it.
That's what I mean for.
I'm just gonna try to get on a building and then jump again.
You cheater.
Which building then so I can make it? I can't make it to Manny now.
You guys
That one in front of me, see to the where I'm heading? This little shortish one. You can turn and make it.
I love you guys.
I'm not gonna make it. This was as far as I can make it.
What? What happened?
I rolled off the building I landed on, so I did like a lower part of it, and then I rolled off to another lower part of it.
Cool.
Alright guys, I'm gone.
Bye. Justin, I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah.
See ya.
Everybody out. No, you won't.
That's that ship.
Look with the American guy on it. American girl.
No, that's American
American Joe.
Alien. American Roger.
I thought it was American Joe.
Well, I'll see you guys another time.
Bye, Adam.
I'm gonna go too.
I guess everyone's leaving.